Hey guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Yes, you are watching Jeff the Maintenance Man. It is Weekend Remix. The last week, one of my subscribers, excuse me, one of my subscribers, Michael Lee, requested Deep Purple, and the song was Lazy. And I said, yeah, I'll give it a shot. Now, I'm just going to stop talking right now and play the song. I hope y'all enjoy. The build-up is a long time before you get to rocking out. Alright, but, well, it's more than a normal song. But I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you, Michael Lee. This was such a challenge to do. And I'm glad to oblige. And stay tuned at the end of the video. I'll go over some things of what I had to do to get the song to work and stuff like that. So, enjoy. tell me. That was so much fun to make. That was so much fun to make. There's so much stuff going on in a song. So that was Deep Purple. The song name's Lazy. And I just had a ton of fun with this thing. I had to shrink this down so y'all can see all the patterns that are in here. And just certain things are chopped and stuff, but some things are not. And wow. What a challenge. Thank you, Michael Lee, for requesting this and stuff. So basically I had to organize everything so I keep track of what's doing what. Got the two rock guitars, which are the I love the rock guitars. I still have the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Anyway, got the rock guitars here. You can change the riff or whatever you want to with the or whatever, the pickups and stuff on the rock guitar. There's so many like different things you can do. I found myself tweaking it, needing to put it over to strumming. The off and on hold thing goes on and off. Didn't really show that very well in the video, and the pitch things going. The pitch was already automated by the MIDI file, and I decided to leave it because that would take another week to figure that out. And got some pianos here. As you heard, the Tranche Pluck. This is an awesome plug-in. This thing can make any dang sound. I mean, look at the library here. You got all these sounds that you can choose and pick from that are already preset, or you can, you know, tweak these knobs and make your own. Used a lot of what's called the Citrus plugin for the synths. This does a good guitar, like a guitar for acoustic steel guitar and stuff. So we got two of those, and I think they're pan left and right. Yeah, one's pan slightly left and right or whatever. And just mixing this song down was a challenge also. Hopefully it does sound good over the internet. If not, oh well, sorry. I'm deeply sorry, but I will be rendering this down to an MP3, high quality, 160 kilobytes per second for you nerds out there. Well, why don't you do 320? Well, dude, I'm not spending all night doing this rendering. So it'll be 160 kilobytes per second quality, which is pretty damn high quality. And the drum track I left alone. That is 100% a MIDI score drum track right here on the bottom here. I left it alone. I didn't mess with it whatsoever. So these, again, this is a MIDI remix. Now it's not a MIDI file. It will be an MP3 once I upload it. But just a lot of different things I had to do to get this remix to work. Like I don't know if y'all saw it in the video or not, but some of these knobs move up and down just very subtle, very slightly. And all those automations are up here in this track. And here's the automation for the drums, drawbar, acoustic steel. Let's see what we got. We got like, this is the MIDI one. I'm curious to see what. Yeah, see, that's for like the pitches and stuff, like wow or whatever. But some of them are MIDI, some of them are mine. Automations for the faders and stuff. But I really enjoyed making this remix, And I hope y'all enjoyed listening to it. And hopefully y'all can download it for free. Y'all can use it as willing, whatever you want to do with it. And I hope y'all all had a great Valentine's Day. And y'all stay safe. And it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. It's the Weekend Remix. Thanks for watching, guys.